Thank you.
Nino, of course, from Tridium, thank you for being here on the program.
It's a pleasure, thank you.
What's new with Tridium this year? I mean, you guys have dazzled with Niagara, Sedona frameworks and sort of innovated. What's new, what are you showing us, and what does it have to do with the changing themes that you're seeing happening here?
Well, I think the first thing that we've done that's critically important for our strategy going forward is we've brought in a tremendous amount of new leadership.
Yes.
Starting with myself and in our areas of sales out in our European organization, as well as in our marketing, product marketing, as well as Marcom organizations. And what we're seeing, and a big message that you'll see from us around technology, is that there's really a convergence between traditional facilities and building space and technology, big data, mobility, security, very important things going into the building space. And as we bring up our next generation of products, we've got a leadership team that can go ahead and take us forward with those kinds of technologies. So we've brought people in from the technology industry, EDS Corporation, Hewlett-Packard, Dell, to start to move us forward towards that future. And then from a product standpoint, what you're going to see from us going forward is products that are capable of handling millions and millions and millions of data points coming in, right? So we're going to scale our systems to handle the big data that a lot of our customers, if you need, and if you think about the general session this morning, we're talking about handling that data and then turning that data into information that can drive efficiency. And so we're going to scale our systems to be able to manage that better and deliver that information through data to them quickly and easily, as well as mobility. So, you know, a PDA now, a mobile device is common. And so are the tablets, right? And we even saw a demonstration of Google Glass. So as those devices go into the billions and things like Google Glass become more mainstream, how do you deliver that information out to those devices? And we'll be investing there. And then the last piece is just security. I mean, cybersecurity. Now with all the personal information, Jerry, that's going out onto the web and is easily accessible, how do you secure that information? So we'll be investing in that area for our software, as well as investing in the communications to our channel partners to make sure that they understand how to install it, how to configure it, and how to make sure they layer it to keep it safe, keep the information safe.
What would you say is the quickest profit opportunity for someone who can use the Tridium, family of products? Where's the easiest, quickest, biggest opportunity for them?
Tridium software is an industry leader, without question, in the integration of disparate data. Once you bring that data together and you understand your organization, whether that's a building or the efficiencies that you need for managing energy or anything within the building, it's the opportunity to very quickly see savings on what you're doing on a daily basis. So instead of just walking out of the room and turning the lights off, which is effectively what some of the presenters talked about this morning, the lights will get automated, but you bring together the data that tells you when that needs to happen. Right? And so Tridium is extremely effective. In fact, we're the market leader globally in bringing that convergence together from disparate data sources so that you can then be more efficient in your business, save money, and if you save money, you can put it back into the business in a different, more efficient way.
Fantastic. Is there anything else we should be looking at during this show? Anything you're keeping your eye on?
Well, we're keeping our eye on anything that's being built on top of our framework. So we're pretty excited about it. Our framework brings together a lot of disparate data sources. And so we're keeping an eye on the kinds of software that's emerging, the kinds of applications that sit on top of it and that are delivering that value. Because we want to talk to our channel partners about, hey, you want to look at this kind of technology that's emerging using our technology that'll help save you money. So we'll keep an eye on the application layer and see what emerges there from a communication, a visualization, and analytics standpoint.
Fantastic. I can't thank you enough for being on the show.
Thanks for having me. I appreciate it.
We'll keep an eye on the same technology as well. Thank you very much for being here. Very well done.